told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake.
Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be using these lovely ingredients here. It's called star anise or star anise. So this ingredient here is very good for the hair, so you can also use it for cooking. It's a cooking spice also, and it's also very good for hair growth. It grows the hair. It's very good for hair growth. So today we are going to be using it to make hair growth daily spray, and also a drinking tea. Also make a tea out of it for drinking. So guys, stay tuned as I show you how I'm going to make this hair growth spray and drink. So let's go. So this is it, and I will just add in some water, clean water, because we are going to be drinking this and also spraying it on our hair, so make sure the water is clean. So I use the whole of this jar. So now I'm going to transfer it to cook. So here it has been boiling for 10 minutes now, and I'm going to turn the heat off and let it cool. I'm going to let it cool for some minutes, and I'll take the one that we're using to spray my hair and the one that I will be drinking. So let's wait for it to cool off. So I will just pour the one that I will be drinking in the cup. And the one that I'll be using for the hairspray. So for the hairspray, I'm going to let the anise to sit on it overnight, and I'll be using it to spray my hair by morning. So I'll use it to spray my hair in the morning. I'll be using it daily. So for the hairspray, you'll be using it daily. So this will be the one I'll be drinking, and this will be for the hairspray. So I'm going to let this one cool off, and I'll be keeping this aside, and tomorrow morning I'll use it for my hairspray. So the tea right here, I'm just going to take these ones off. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of honey. I don't have any idea how this is going to taste. You see, in my other video where I made the lemon, ginger and clove tea, if you've not watched that video, I'll put the link in my description box, so you go check it out. Wow, the taste is very nice. Okay guys, I will be tasting the anise tea, the star anise tea. Tastes like normal tea. It tastes like normal green tea. So give it a try, guys. It's really nice. It tastes like green tea. Normal green tea is nice. And without the honey, I don't think it will have this, it will bring out the taste. So it's better you drink it with honey. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If today is your first time in my channel, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video, share it to your loved ones, share it so other people will see this video. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to also turn the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be first to be notified. Thank you guys. Bye. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. Romans 8 verse 6.